俺と太宰が初めて暗号に会った場所だ。
Dude, my throat's been killing me the past 2 days. I need to stop deep throating dick. And I'm just saying, it's like making my throat hella hurt.
I really feel like that shouldn't affect you, honestly.
I mean, I'm not complaining, I'm just saying it makes my throat hurt. That's like all I'm saying.
I guess I can stop for a little bit, but...
I want to shove Evelyn up my ass. I want to shove Evelyn up my ass.
Ango.
You gonna come to breakfast with me tomorrow?
Are you going at 6 a.m.?
10 a.m.
Are you going for a jog after?
Probably a bike ride.
Ooh, nice. This is gonna be one of those,
And then a jog.
2-man bikes. Just you and...
Oda.
Yeah, but we're gonna do one of those that only has one seat. And then we're gonna take the seat off, and they just sit on the pole. And then I'll sit on his pole.
This sounds pretty painful.
Does it?
Sitting on the bike pole and then you sitting on...
Mom, but that's not my dream! What is your dream, son? To breakdance.
That's what happens to white people when they try to breakdance, even though they've never done
They
it
just
before.
die.
If there was an ass eating competition, I would easily win, cause I eat the whole ass. Cause I eat the whole ass.
You and a Christian girl are about to have sex for the first time. Do you use a condom, yes or no?
No, God will protect us. There's a monster in the room with you. Ooh.
Wait, I think my headphones are on backwards.
Oh, your headphones are on backwards? Oh, okay, let me just go over here.